Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, I want to share something that most women over 60 never hear about their health. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 essential movements every woman over 60 needs to maintain strength, protect joints, and base. There's a £1 trillion medical industry that profits from weakness. Weak hips, weak knees, poor balance. But the truth is, I've been a surgeon for over 27 years, and I've seen countless women lose strength, not because of age, but because they were never taught how to protect it.
Listen closely, because what I'm about to share is something most women over 60 will never hear from their doctor, trainer, or the health industry, which profits from weakness, surgeries, pain injections, walkers, and dependency on retirement homes. I've been a surgeon for over 27 years, and I've witnessed this unfold like a slow-motion tragedy. Women don't lose strength simply because of age. They lose it because they're never taught how to preserve it. Right now, a $1 trillion medical industry thrives on one thing: your weakness. Weak hips, weak knees, poor balance, fragile core. Each year of decline becomes profit. Pills, physiotherapy, surgeries, supplements, knee replacements, balance aids, insurance plans, and retirement care. It's all built on weakness. Think it's accidental? It's not. A weak woman is a paying customer. Here's what they don't want you to know. There are only 5 exercises every woman over 60 truly needs to stay strong and independent for life. Not yoga trends, not 15-move routines, not treadmill marathons, just 5. When done consistently, they protect joints, strengthen bones, reduce fall risk, improve balance, rebuild muscle, and maintain independence better than anything mainstream fitness promotes. Today, I'll give you the truth, raw, unfiltered, and surgeon-approved. The 5 essential movements for women over 60 require no fancy equipment, just what you already have. Each exercise targets strength, stability, muscle preservation, hip power, and balance, the 5 pillars of female longevity. Hear this clearly. If you stay until exercise number 2, you'll understand why surgeons privately call it the anti-frailty exercise, capable of restoring strength even 12 to 18 years after most women believe decline is permanent. Research sources are listed in the description. Before we begin, a quick question. How old are you, and where are you watching from? We're responding to comments like a live conversation, so share your struggles, aids, and strength goals. Now, let's start. Because number 5 is the first exercise every woman should master, and most underestimate how transformative it can be when performed correctly. Part 2. Exercise number 5. Wall push-ups. Many women skip wall push-ups, assuming they're too easy. But orthopedic surgeons often prefer them over traditional floor push-ups for women over 60, and research backs this choice. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that wall push-ups activate the same major muscle groups as floor push-ups, while putting 60% less stress on wrists and shoulders. This is crucial because wrist fractures are the 3rd most common fracture in women over 60, and shoulder injuries can keep you out of exercise for months. Properly performed, wall push-ups engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core stabilizers all at once. This compound movement triggers a stronger hormonal response than isolated exercises, releasing growth hormone that helps maintain muscle mass, a vital benefit as natural hormone levels decline with age. How to do it? Stand about 2 feet from a sturdy wall. Place hands flat at shoulder height, slightly wider than shoulders, fingers pointing up or slightly outward. Keep your body straight from head to heels, engaging your core. Slowly bend elbows, lowering your chest toward the wall, keeping elbows at approximately 45 deg. When your nose nearly touches, push back with control. Move slowly. 3 seconds down, 2 seconds up. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps, working up to 3 sets of 15. This movement strengthens shoulder protecting muscles and builds arm strength for daily tasks, like pushing yourself up or catching a stumble. It's foundational. But the next exercise targets an even more critical skill for independence. Balance isn't flashy like strength or cardio, but it's crucial. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and falls are the leading cause of injury-related death. Among women, hip fractures are devastating. Research in Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found 20% of women with hip fractures die within a year, and many never regain independence. Orthopedic surgeons emphasize balance training, and heel-to-toe walking, or tandem walking, is a top choice. It challenges vestibular system, inner ear for equilibrium, proprioceptive system, joint and muscle sensors, visual system, body position awareness. All three must work together for good balance. A study in Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation showed older adults who practiced heel-to-toe walking for 8 weeks improved balance scores by 25% and reduced falls by 30%. How to do it? Find a hallway or clear path along a wall for support. Stand tall, gaze ahead. Step forward, placing your heel directly in front of the other foot's toes. Pause to balance. Continue for 20 steps, then return. Maintain posture. Don't look down, as slouching reduces the vestibular and proprioceptive challenge. Start using a wall for support if needed, and reduce reliance as balance improves. Surgeons recommend daily practice. Balance is a skill that declines quickly if neglected. Part 4, Exercise number 3, Chair Squats. One of the clearest predictors of independence for women over 60 is the ability to sit and stand from a chair without using arms. This movement engages quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Weakness here makes daily tasks, getting up from the toilet, car, or favorite chair, difficult or impossible without assistance. Orthopedic surgeons see this decline frequently, and chair squats are the direct solution. Research from the American Journal of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation found women over 60 who performed chair squats 3 times weekly increased lower body strength by 35% in 12 weeks, improving mobility and confidence. Confidence is crucial. Fear of falling often reduces activity, causing more weakness in a vicious cycle. Chair squats break this cycle. How to do it? Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart, toes slightly outward. Cross arms over chest or extend forward. Push hips back, bend knees, lower slowly until butt lightly touches the chair. Drive through heels to stand. Take 3 to 4 seconds to lower, emphasizing the eccentric phase. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps, progress to 3 sets of 15. This exercise strengthens muscles protecting knee joints and reduces the need for future joint replacement. It lays the foundation for more advanced movements. Many women overlook upper and middle back strength. Weak back muscles cause rounded shoulders, spinal compression, restricted breathing, neck strain, and higher fall risk. Resistance band rows address all these issues. A Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy study found women over 60 doing resistance band exercises twice weekly for 6 months, improved posture, reduced back and neck pain, and increased lung capacity. Bands offer accommodating resistance, meaning the exercise becomes harder where muscles are strongest, giving optimal benefit without joint stress. How to do it? Sit on the floor or chair, legs extended, band around feet. Hold ends with palms facing each other. Arms extended, spine tall, shoulders down. Pull band to lower ribs, elbows back, squeezing shoulder blades. Hold 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly extend arms back with control. Avoid raising shoulders or leaning back. Start with 2 sets of 12 reps. Progress to 3 sets of 15. Strong back muscles support the spine and are. Reduce stress on discs, potentially preventing chronic pain. This exercise complements the lower body and balance work you've already done. Harvard Medical School calls this the most important exercise for women over 60. Standing on one leg may seem simple, but it trains balance, strengthens stabilizer muscles around ankles, knees, and hips, builds hip bone density, and engages core muscles, all at once. Research. British Journal of Sports Medicine. Inability to stand on one leg for 10 seconds equal to 84% higher risk of death over 12 years. Osteoporosis International, 1-minute daily single leg practice increased hip bone density, reducing hip fracture risk. How to do it? Stand near a wall, counter, or chair for support. Shift weight onto one leg, engage core, lift the other foot slightly behind. Hold 10 seconds, switch legs. Increase gradually to 30 to 60 seconds. Progress by closing eyes, standing on a cushion, or moving the raised leg. Daily practice, morning and evening, takes under 5 minutes but delivers life-changing benefits. Surgeons rank it number 1 because solid balance enables safer movement, confidence and independence, a virtuous cycle of health and activity. These 5 exercises, wall push-ups, heel-to-toe walking, chair squats, resistance band rows, and single-leg balance, form a complete program. Together, they protect bones, preserve muscle, sharpen balance, maintain independence. No gym or expensive equipment is needed. Just a wall, chair, resistance band, and a few minutes each day. The long-term payoff is enormous, staying active, independent, and confident in daily life, enjoying travel, family, and freedom well into later years. Taking care of your body with these surgeon-approved exercises is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Your future self, 5 to 10 years from now, will thank you for starting today. Each movement builds on the OT. Hers to create a comprehensive, evidence-based routine that protects your health and independence. If you found this helpful and want more tips on staying strong and independent as you age, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We provide practical, research-backed advice to improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching.